Hello, my name is Tanya Zaheni, and we recently had Nibav elevator installed at our home. We just moved in and realized that it's been challenging for my parents to walk up the stairs and also carry heavy stuff up and down. And luckily we found this great company on Instagram, and the process of ordering, installing has been incredible, smooth. The technicians are extremely professional, made sure everything is installed correctly, the colors match perfect to our walls. We already had a lot of people who came to see the elevator because a lot of family members were excited about this new addition, and especially little kids. And now they don't need to go to Disneyland. They just can come to our house and ride the glass elevator. When we picked the colors for the elevator, luckily it worked perfectly with the color of our walls. And actually, company gives you many choices to fit any home design, and it just worked perfect to our walls. It does not take eye away from our grand entrance. The idea of elevator came since my parents live in this home, and it got a little bit challenging for them to use the stairs so many times a day. And when we found this great company to install the elevator, and it does not take that much space, you don't have to cut the walls. And so we did it for my parents, so it's easier for them to move from first to second floor, to carry their stuff, and even things like you don't think about, like laundry, to carry up and down the stairs. It can be challenging sometimes, but with the elevator, it's a great way for suitcases, for laundry, for people to just move up and down. As I mentioned, my parents live with me, and the whole idea of elevator came to help them to move. But the problem was that my mom feels very claustrophobic in an elevator, and she does not go in an elevator by herself if it's a closed elevator. And the glass elevator, she has no problem. She goes by herself, even if nobody is home. She has no fear of going in an elevator and move from floor to floor. And I would recommend Nibav elevator to anyone who's looking to improve accessibility and add a touch of luxury to their home.